Okay guys, 6:30 at night. I'm on my way home from work. And now this. It's been a long, miserable day. I really don't need whatever is going on here. I don't know if those guys are security or police. What are you guys doing? Oh, the van gets stopped there. Well, that's police. But why is my side going? Oh, we have police on this side too. Those guys. Nice paint job on the police truck. Toyota Fortuner. Okay. My side. It's an accident. Hey, you dumbass, what are you doing? All you need to do is get sideswiped in a check stop. Not accident. Broken car and a taxi and a van pulled over. Wow. At least it didn't stop me anyway. But I look so honest, why would they even think of stopping me?